Let's walk through how to connect a form to Google Sheets. First, go to your Formspree dashboard and select your form. Next, go to the Workflow tab, and in the Actions section, click on the Add New button. Select Google Sheets. You'll need to connect your Google account. Before you do that, you can check this box if you want to export all your existing submissions to the new Google Sheet as well. Next, click on the Connect button and authenticate with your Google account. And you now have a sheet with all of your form submissions in it. If you try submitting a new response to the form, it will get added to the Google Sheet automatically